Hello everyone, this is Calvin from Découvrez Dental. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the differences between the O-Star Pro and the regular O-Star curing light that we carry, as well as doing an unboxing and side-by-side curing of both of them. Starting with our O-Star curing light here, we have the 100 disposable sleeves that it comes with, and then you have your charging cable, and then we have our charging base here with a built-in radio meter for testing the light intensity. You can plug in your charging cable to the back of the base here, and then to set up your curing light, you can attach the head at the top here, and then if you'd like, you can also attach the curing lens here, which is magnetic and snaps onto the head like so. Lastly, you also have your curing shield here, which fits nicely onto the head right there. Once you have everything set up for your curing light, you can set it on the charging base and it's ready to be used. Now we have our O-Star Pro curing light, once again coming with 100 disposable sleeves, the charging cable here, and the charging base with the built-in radio meter for light intensity testing. In the same way, you can also plug in the base from the back there. Then to set up your curing light, all you need to do, once again, is just plug in the head. And if you'd like, you can also attach your curing lens and your curing shield as well. Once you have everything set up, you're ready to go. The three main upgrades of the O-Star Pro is the improved uniform beam, which has 29 different purple and blue LED chips to prevent uneven spots and dark areas when curing. Secondly, the O-Star Pro has exceptionally focused light output with a light angle of 10.8 degrees for improved penetration. This makes it perfect for indirect restorations, orthodontic brackets, or bonding procedures. Lastly, the O-Star Pro also produces less heat for more of a gentle cure, ensuring the depth of curing is over 3 millimeters and under 5 seconds. Both curing lights come with 7 different pre-programmed modes, starting with the normal mode, which has a light intensity of 1000 to 1200 milliwatts per centimeter squared, with 4 different time settings, 5, 10, 15, or 20 seconds. The high mode has a light intensity of 1800 to 2000, with 2 different time settings at 3 or 5 seconds. The turbo mode has a light intensity of 2700 to 3000 with a time setting of 1 second or 3 seconds. The ortho mode has a light intensity of 2700 to 3000 with time settings of 5 sets of 3 seconds or 10 sets of 3 seconds. The soft mode has a light intensity ranging from 0 to 1200 with 5, 10, 15, or 20 second time settings. And lastly, the pulse mode has time slots of 5, 10, 15, or 20 seconds and cures periodically. The curing light also has the ability to do check mode, which is a caries detection mode that outputs one single purple light and is detected when the special glasses are worn, showing an orange-red glow.
Thanks for watching our overview of the O-Star and the O-Star Pro. I hope this helped answer some questions. As always, if there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our info email, our 888 number, or through the chat on our website. Once again, this has been Calvin from Découvrez Dental, and I hope I was able to make you smile today.